In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best methods to buy BNB, also known as Binance Coin, on Binance. This guide is specifically tailored for 2025, highlighting the most efficient ways to purchase BNB, whether you're prioritizing speed, fees, or flexibility. Let's start by diving right into what makes buying BNB such an appealing option on the Binance platform. The first method we'll explore today is purchasing BNB using a credit or debit card. This method is fast and user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer simplicity and speed in their transactions. To begin, you'll need to complete the registration process on Binance if you haven't done so already. This includes going through the necessary identity verification steps to ensure your account is secure and compliant with any regulatory requirements. Once your account is all set up, you'll want to navigate to the Buy Crypto section in the Binance interface and select Credit Debit Card. Here, it's important to choose BNB as the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. You'll also need to select your fiat currency, such as USD, from the available options. This step is crucial, as it ensures you're aware of exactly how much you are spending in your local currency. Now, you'll proceed to add your payment card details. This will involve entering your card information and confirming it. You'll then need to complete the bank's OTP, or one-time password security step. This extra layer of security helps protect your transaction and personal data. After you've successfully entered the required information and the OTP, the purchase process is almost complete. The great news is that once you've finalized this process, BNB will appear in your spot wallet almost immediately. This immediate access is one of the most attractive aspects of using a credit or debit card for your BNB purchases. It's perfect for small or urgent transactions, ensuring you can swiftly respond to market changes or capitalize on opportunities without delay. Why is this method particularly great? Well, it's not just about the speed with which you can access BNB. It's also about the ease of setup and onboarding. For newcomers to the crypto world or those looking to make quick, small-scale purchases, this method offers the best of both worlds. You get the convenience of using familiar payment methods combined with the robust security measures offered by Binance. To wrap it up, buying BNB with a credit or debit card on Binance offers a seamless and efficient experience, especially for those prioritizing speed and accessibility. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the crypto scene, this method is designed to get you started with minimal hassle. Stick around for more tips and insights in our future guides. Thanks for watching.